and welcome to our video blog. My name is Duke and I'm the broker. So today I'm going to talk to you owners mostly about the ability to advertise your unit early. So difficult. I know I'm an owner that I want my unit to be advertised while the tenants are preparing to leave. So let's think about that for a second. Your tenants are leaving, they got all their stuff boxed up, they got all their stuff exposed, and they're saying, I'm not going to let you do any showings. That's one problem. The other problem is there's probably 80% of our units need repairs. So how do we do that? Before we show your unit off or advertise it how it would look before brand new, but the guy's been living in there 3 to 4 years. Now you want me to advertise your unit before we get all those things fixed back up again. It's really, really difficult. We get asked by at least 75% of the owners to go ahead and start advertising their unit while the tenant is still in there. So it causes us a couple of problems and a lot of anxiety. So if you have any questions about that, call me direct, 808-445-9223, or you can email me at dkimhan@HiPacificPM.com. All right? A lot of issues with that. Talk to you soon.